how to block notifications or incoming notifications with priority mode while playing games. And this is for the Samsung A53 phone. Let's get started. There's two things you can do here. One, you can dive into the game launcher itself and find all the apps that you currently have installed on your device as games here. And you can choose to go ahead and select priority mode from here. And when you do that, this will turn on priority mode for all the apps that you have in the game launcher itself, which will block notifications. And on top of that, also reduce any unnecessary processing in the background if possible, so they say. All right. Now, if you want to do this for individual apps itself, let's say we are in the middle of a game here, or we're about to start playing a game here. What you can do is swipe up like this here. You'll notice this will pop up here, and then there's this icon here to the left. When you select that, that's going to bring up your game booster set of settings here for you. And when you select the priority mode here, it's going to tell you what it's going to do, and then it's simply just going to turn it on for you, or you turn it on, and it tell you that it's ready. And of course, when you're ready to disable it, you can come back here and then turn off the priority mode for your game settings. Okay, let's just take a look close at that there. Okay, and that's that. Like, sub, and thanks for watching.